this is the fish tank stand. Now, there's actually not as many pieces as you think, so it shouldn't take us that long to put it together. Fun fact, for those who want to use it, they could actually use this as a lightweight table, you know, for just light stuff if you wanted to. So there's a couple things that you guys can do it yourself with this actual table. Anywho, back to the way it is. So you can simply easily put this together by putting the number two, and then the board in the center with those two pieces in the beginning. It's actually really easy to put together. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now we're 196 pounds. So we are a fish tank. Okay, it kind of hurts. So it's actually pretty solid. I wasn't sure. But yeah, as you can see, very solid. Overall, really simple to put together, especially if you have a power tool.